Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered how to see real-time follower count for your favorite Instagram accounts? Today, I'm going to show you a simple and easy way to do just that. First, open your browser and search for Nymgram. It's a fantastic, free tool that lets you anonymously view public Instagram content. Once you're on the Nymgram website, you'll see a variety of tools. Scroll down a bit until you find Followers Counter. This is exactly what we're looking for. You'll see a simple search bar where you can enter the username of the Instagram account you want to check. For our first example, let's check out the famous creator, Mr. Beast. Just type in MrBeast and hit start. And there you have it, a live, updating count of Mr. Beast's followers. You can see the numbers change right before your eyes. It's a great way to track the growth of your favorite accounts or even your own. Let's try another one. I'm going to stop this counter and enter a different username. This time, we'll see the follower count for BBC Earth. Just like before, we have a real-time count for BBC Earth. You can see the number fluctuate and watch the graph to see how it's trending. This tool is perfect for keeping an eye on your favorite public figures, brands, or just for fun. And the best part is, you don't need to log in or provide any personal information to use it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy counting!